Who's the best American motorcycle manufacturer? No, not that one. The other one. We're talking about Hendee Motorcycles. Who are they, and how did they start their journey of producing some of the best bikes in the United States in the 20th century? Stay tuned and you will find out, as today we're going to learn about the amazing story of Hendee Motorcycles. Hello and welcome to the Motorcycle Lifestyle. This famous American brand started out as the Hendee Manufacturing Company, founded by George M. Hendee and Oscar Hedstrom in 1897 in Springfield, Massachusetts, and has made a big impact on motorcycle history since then. Along with co-founder and chief engineer Hedstrom, Hendee opened the company's first factory in downtown Springfield in 1901, and soon after, the Hendee Motorcycle was born. The name was later changed to Hendee Motorcycle Manufacturing Company in 1928, and they would go on to be one of just two motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression. The initial models were really well made and looked great. The first Hendee, with its single-cylinder engine, quickly became popular. It showed what motorcycles could do and got people excited about riding. Hendee motorcycles also became famous on the racetrack. Talented riders won lots of races on these bikes, which made them even more popular. One famous rider, Irwin Cannonball Baker, made history by riding across the country on an Hendee motorcycle. Hendee kept making new models that riders loved. The Hendee Scout, introduced in the 1920s, was known for being fast and easy to handle. It became a favorite among stunt riders, showcasing the brand's commitment to exciting rides. The 1920s also brought another new model, the Hendee Chief. This big, heavy bike was all about the adventure of the open road. Its large size and the cool logo on the front fender made it a symbol of style and adventure. After World War II, though, things got tough. The world was changing, and Hendee Motorcycle Company had money problems. But this legendary brand kept going, releasing new models like the Hendee Warrior and the Golden Arrow. The 1950s brought the Hendee Tomahawk, a cool model that mixed old and new ideas. Hendee kept pushing the limits by offering high-performance bikes with new technology, but by the late 1950s, Hendee Motorcycle Company had to stop making bikes for a while, which made fans really miss them. But the story of Hendee Motorcycle didn't end there. In the 1990s, the brand came back to life, and they started making new versions of the Hendee Chief and Hendee Scout. The new Hendee focused on keeping the beautiful, classic designs of the early models while adding modern technology and performance. The Chief Vintage and Chieftain became the main models, mixing classic looks with advanced features. In 2013, the legendary Hendee Chief came back again. This historic model had a powerful engine and was made in a very limited run. It had a special emblem on the frame to celebrate the brand's historic achievements. Hendee's impact goes beyond America. The brand's legacy has reached other continents and connected with riders worldwide, and has become a symbol of freedom and the open road for fans all over the world. While the American market has always been important for Hendee Motorcycle Co., the brand's influence has grown to reach an international audience. Their commitment to quality and the perfect ride has won over riders from many different backgrounds and cultures. Hendee motorcycles have become more and more popular in recent years. Their expansion into global markets, including Europe, Asia, and Australia, has opened up new opportunities for riders who love the brand's timeless design and powerful performance. Being part of Hendee Motorcycle is not just about owning a bike, it's about being part of a bigger community. Events around the world bring together riders who share a love for classic American motorcycles. The friendships and shared experiences at these events reflect the spirit of Hendee's golden age, when riders felt a deep connection with their bikes. Today, riders still form close bonds with their bikes and each other, celebrating their shared love for the brand. Hendee models have always been a canvas for customization. Riders love to personalize their bikes to match their unique style and preferences. From custom paint jobs to unique accessories, each customized motorcycle is a true reflection of its owner. This spirit of individuality and creativity is a big part of motorcycle culture, and Hendee has played an important role in keeping this tradition alive. It's a reminder that every rider has a story, and their bike is the way they tell the story of their adventures. As we look to the future, the legacy of Hendee Motorcycle is secure. With a strong presence in both American and global markets, Hendee's commitment to quality, design, and performance continues to be strong. The brand's timeless look and modern engineering make it a great choice for riders who want the best of both worlds. Hendee will undoubtedly continue to set standards for classic American motorcycles, models that celebrate heritage while embracing change and new engineering. One of the notable additions to the Indian lineup is the FTR 1200. Inspired by the brand's racing history, this model offers a unique mix of performance and style. The FTR 1200 combines the excitement of the racetrack with the practicality of a street-legal motorcycle. It's a nod to Indian's history while embracing the demands of modern riders. They have also expanded its cruiser offerings with the introduction of the Indian Challenger. This powerful touring bike redefines comfort and performance on long journeys. With its state-of-the-art technology, remarkable power, and classic styling, the Challenger is a symbol of the brand's commitment to riders' satisfaction. The brand has shown that it is not just about preserving its history, but creating new chapters. By continuously evolving and expanding its range, Indian remains a key player in the motorcycle industry. The future holds exciting possibilities as they explore cutting-edge technologies, advanced engineering, and innovative designs. A big part of Indian's story is its vibrant rider community. Fans gather from all over to share their passion and love for these iconic bikes. The Indian Motorcycle Riders Group, or IMRG, is the heart of this spirit. IMRG rallies and events are a testament to the brand's enduring appeal. They bring together riders who share a common bond, a deep love for Indian motorcycles. It's not just about the bikes, it's about the friendships, camaraderie, and shared experiences that make these gatherings unforgettable. One of the most famous events is the annual Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, where Indian fans come together to celebrate their shared love for the brand. The rally is a mix of culture, music, and of course, incredible rides. It's a place where riders create memories that last a lifetime. From local club rides to big international events, Indian motorcycle riders form connections that go beyond borders. They embody the spirit of exploration, adventure, and unity. It's a global community that continues to grow, welcoming new riders who discover the joy of Indian ownership. Indian's position in the market today is a testament to the enduring legacy of this iconic brand. It occupies a unique space where heritage meets modernity. The brand continues to be a symbol of American motorcycling, resonating with those who appreciate its history and innovation. In the cruiser market, Indian competes with other famous brands. Its classic styling and reputation for performance make it an attractive choice for riders who seek the perfect blend of tradition and technology. While it competes with Harley-Davidson and other manufacturers, Indian Motorcycle's distinct identity sets it apart in the market. The arrival of models like the Indian Sport Chief has generated excitement and plenty of discussions within the motorcycle community. With a design reminiscent of Harley-Davidson's Dyna line, the Sport Chief is poised to cater to a specific segment of riders. It's a testament to Indian's adaptability and willingness to explore different niches within the market. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts on Indian's recent models and their place in the market. Are you excited about the Sport Chief and its potential as a rival to Harley-Davidson's Dyna line? Let us know in the comments below. As we wrap up our journey through the history of Indian motorcycles, it's clear that the brand's legacy continues to thrive. Join us next time on The Motorcycle Lifestyle, where we delve into the passion, heritage, and innovations that shape the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and remember, life is short. Ride more motorcycles.